Hello to my viewers. My topic is about conversion. This is part 2. The direction says write each decimal as percent. We know that percent, we write the symbol. So number 1, 0.65. So for number 1, we just multiply this one by 100%. Since this is multiplication, we have two zeros in here, so meaning we have to move two decimal places from this point. 1, 2. So the answer is 65%. If multiplication, move to the right, it depends on the places of the zeros. And then if division, that is opposite, from right to left. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 0.325. Again, we have to multiply this one by 100%. As what I said, we have to start from the point of origin. This will be moved to decimal places because there are two zeros. So 1, 2. So my answer for number 2 is 32.5%. Now number 3, 1.45. This will be multiplied again by 100%. There are two zeros. So from here, move to decimal places. 1, 2. So my answer for number 3 is 145%. Number 4, 0.008. This will be multiplied again by 100%. Again, there are two zeros. Move to decimal places from here. Move to decimal places to the right. 1, 2. So you have 0.8 or 0.8%. That's number 4. Now let's move to the second one. I will change this one. Write each percent as a decimal. So number 1, 45% is what? A decimal. So I need to divide this one by 100%. Then this symbol will be crossed out. So I have here 45 over 100. As what I said before, if division, we need to move from right to left. So if this is 45, so there are two zeros. So from here, move 1, 2 because there are two zeros. So the answer is 0.45. Now let's go to number 2. Number 2 is 9%. So again, divide this one by 100%. Cross out the symbol. So you have now 9 over 100. So since this is a single digit, and we need to move to decimal places, so I need to add 0. So this will be 0, 9. So I can move 1, 2. So my answer is 0.09. Number 3, 160%. Again, I have to divide this one by 100% also. Cross out the symbol. So I have 160 over 100. Cross out the zeros. So I have 16 over 10. Since I have only one zero, so I need to move from right to left one decimal place only. So 1.6 because from here it's 1. So 1.6 is the answer. Number 4. I have 6 and 1 over 2%. First, I have to divide this one. I will make this one into decimal. So 1 divided by 2. Since 1 cannot be divided by 2, I will add 0 and then this point in here. So we can divide now 10 by 2. How many 2 are there in 10? There are 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. Then take away, that will be 0. So this will be 6.5%. Again, I need to divide by 100% in order to cross out this symbol. So I have 6.5 over 100. Again, we have two zeros. So I need to move to decimal places from this point. Since this is only 1, so I need to add 0 so that I can move to decimal places. This one at 0, this one and point. So the answer is 0.065. Now number 5. What if I have 125%? Again, divide this one by 100% also. Cross out the symbol. So 125 over 100. Since I have two decimal places, so I need to move to decimal places also from right. 1, 2. So I have 1.25. That's my answer for number 5. That's all.